Hello guys, I'm Matty V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I literally post a video every single day. Today I'm at the Beach Bash car show in Spartanburg, South Carolina, which is at the Beacon Diner in Spartanburg, South Carolina. And we got two problems already with this car meet. Problem number one I'm going to have is the live music behind. So sorry guys if some of the stuff is muted when I'm taking video, because YouTube doesn't care if you just walk around and upload videos of cars, or if you go to the stage and record it and post it on video, because they literally don't care. They still call it like copyright infringement, so they might not monetize me. So for that, if this music's in the way, the videos will be muted and you can just be without sound. That's the one problem. Here's the second problem. Second problem, guys, is the amount of cars that come up. I'm gonna post a screenshot right here of the brochure. They overhyped this car meet. It's already 2 o'clock, it's from 2 to 6, and I don't see where we're gonna have top 20, top everything in the tiers, because this doesn't even look like enough cars. Nevertheless, I was here one of the first cars, so I got a free t-shirt from there. All right, guys, let's go walk around and see. Another throwback is I'm seeing the same exact cars I've seen in the other meets, and it's getting a little boring. And when I see the same exact cars from the other meets, guys, it almost makes it look like that it's going to be another rigged car show of probably this Mustang winning when it's not supposed to be. Well guys, since I signed up, I'm also in charge. One of the people, actually, whoever signed up also gets to vote for the top 20 in the cars. So that's what I'm doing right now, I'm voting. Of course I put mine in number 20 spot, you know. So guys, I participated in the silent auction, and I'm gonna show you guys what I've won, because I have actually won something. There you go, guys. Finally got my Volvo to win something. Guys, here's the bonus clip at the end of the video. At the silent auction, I won a $60 NASCAR sign. There's a sticker on the back for that. And I also won a $60 antique marine CB radio, which was pretty cool. Love it. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. Okay, this particular package. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.